हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जिप्सी शिवा। और आज हम आ गए हैं तीर्थन वैली में। सो वी आर एट तीर्थन वैली राइट नाउ। इट्स नियर बंजार, नियर पंडू टनल। इफ़ यू कम टूवर्ड्स कुल्लू यू नीड टू टेक वन राइट एंड यू रीच हियर। और अभी मॉर्निंग हुई है, जस्ट शावर लिया है, ब्रेकफास्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करते हैं। वो मेरा लिटिल बेबी है जेनी पीछे पीछे, और ये दूसरा बेबी यहाँ पर है। तो गाइस, ब्यूटीफुल डे, लेट्स सी व्हाट टू एक्सप्लोर। There is the road there and we are just right by the river side. So this is river side and we are right here. My car isn't washed, so we're gonna wash our car. We're gonna take breakfast slowly. We're gonna do things and then we're gonna go to the road to explore. But it's a whole valley like Parvati Valley. तो तीर्थन एक जगह नहीं है, एक पूरी वैली है। उसमें एक गाँव के अंदर रुके हुए हैं, सेंटर जो है उसका। और so we are staying at this hotel called Shiv Adya in Tirthan. It's right beside the river. So guys, this is the river right here. The river is not as powerful as like what do you say, like Parvati river. It's a little slow. It's not so much water also in this river, but yeah, it's beautiful. So guys, अभी हम ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं एंड पूरी भाजी आई है और परांठे आए हैं और सेवई आई है। तो वी गोना ईट ऑल ऑफ दिस, वी गोना फिनिश विद कर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग। सो दिस इज आवर ब्रेकफास्ट, वी आर हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट। माय कार गॉट हैड अ पंचर, सो वी रिप्लेस द टायर, नाउ द कार इज वॉशिंग। सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन दिस मॉर्निंग। तो गाइस, गाड़ी धुल रही है, अभी ब्रेकफास्ट भी चल रहा है। फिर वो देखो, वो टायर रखा ऊपर, वो इसलिए रखा ऊपर क्योंकि हमारा टायर पंचर हो गया। सो गाइस, कार ऑलमोस्ट क्लीन हो गई है, अच्छी लग रही है दिखने में पहले से। सो वी आर गोइंग टू बंजार फॉर पंचर। तो गाइस, अभी हम आ गए हैं जीबी वाटरफॉल पे और मैं तुम्हारे को जीबी वाटरफॉल तक दिखाऊंगा जब तुम मेरा चैनल लाइक और कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करोगे। तो गाइस, ये वाटरफॉल मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो आप, दिस इज कॉल्ड जीबी वाटरफॉल। सो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस वाटरफॉल। द वे इज लाइक दिस, द कार कैन कम एंड जस्ट यू हैव टू वॉक 100 meters ऑफ इट एंड यू विल रीच दिस वाटरफॉल एंड लुक एट दिस वाटरफॉल। So guys, untouched waterfall right now, like not many people are coming here, so it looks very beautiful. And GB has its own, you know, nature, and that stone up there looks magnificent, mesmerizing, I would say. And this is the GB waterfall. I didn't thought that there will be so much water, but it's a lot of water, and it's not a cascading waterfall, but yeah, it's one go waterfall from there, and it goes down like this. And it looks beautiful. Here if you can see, it's called Dhoi Devta. So Dhoi Devta is here and wow guys. So guys, very beautiful waterfall, I must say. Untouched right now. People have not destroyed it. Basically people from village are coming here, nearby village and everything. And look, all are Himachali here, no people from outside. तो गाइस, अभी मैं वाटरफॉल के अंदर जा रहा हूँ, नीचे बच्चे भी जा रहे हैं, तो मेरा भी मन कर रहा है बच्चों को देख के जाने के लिए। तो लेट्स गो।
Está frío, amor. ¡Ay, chiva!
Guys, it's freezing cold. So guys, pretty beautiful waterfall, and now we are going down from the main waterfall. Here is a complete view of the water from up till down. And here is my beautiful wife with Shiva. A must if you come to this valley. All in all, so you must come to GB also. So there are three different places that you can come. Basically, one is your GB, Tirthan, and the other one is your Jalori Pass. So these three places are together, and you can come to all these places and explore these little beautiful things that are untouched right now. So this is called GB waterfall in Himachal Pradesh, and it's a very beautiful waterfall. I have taken many shots of this, but look at it, guys. And this waterfall cascades all the way down slowly till below. So guys, now we are going for lunch after this. After seeing GB waterfall, we are going for lunch. So it's a beautiful waterfall, really took my heart, and let's go. तो गाइस अभी हम यहाँ एक जगह पे आए हुए हैं. It says that it was the first, hotel here which started tourism in GB. So it's a heritage homestay and we are here having lunch. We just had a lunch basically and now we are chilling here. So this place is pretty beautiful if you can see. Look. This is all the heritage home and there is one restaurant and cafe. And basically this is in between the GB. So at the center point you will find this place and has a beautiful view. I don't know, from rooms it must be having the same view. There is a beautiful view and if we go more up like 20 kilometers we'll cross Jalori Pass and it's made beautifully for sure. क्या आज मम्मा? So guys, that's what I'm talking about. This place is beautiful. I never, saw one place like this. Kalpa had a different feeling, but this one has a different.
I can keep doing this every day for the rest of my life in this place. I love GB. We love GB, Papa.
Yeah. Jenny. So guys, let's see what we do next. We did many things today in GB only. So let's go. So guys, we are at the bridge that we just saw from our room and it looks pretty good from here. तो यही कुछ चीज़ स्पेशल है इसको बना रही है. एक तो सबसे पहली बात कि यहाँ पर कोई बंदा है ही नहीं, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि भाई there are no many people here. And rest is
It's only us, that's it.
yeah, it's only as many people as you can see in this frame.
Jennifer. We have a very bad luck, guys. Today, my little baby threw her cat from the bridge. And the cat is gone. It's gone, Jennifer, gone. Rip cat. 2019, 2020, 2021, ¿verdad?
Bow. Yeah, cat friend. Guys, we finally reached Tirthan and this is our room. I don't know how we will make a mess out of it, so I'm just gonna shoot very quick. This is the room and there is the river outside. If you can see, there is the river and the room is right just by the river, if you can see. And not so big room, but yeah, it's pretty comfortable and looks very cozy. So for me it's good and all wooden work and there is only one light working right now, so we'll fix the other light also. And this is Shiva Bebe. So guys, we booked this room for 9,000 rupees for 3 nights and it is including the breakfast. It's called Shiv Adya. They have one hotel in Manali also. I just checked it out and they have here in Tirthan also. And if you can see, here is what it is. I really like the hotel. The fact that it's just by the river makes it more beautiful. That is just by the river and here is one bridge also. And this is Tirthan Valley, guys. So the room is pretty good, I would say. A little small, but no problem because of the view. It compensates everything. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and this is all from Tirthan Valley, Banjar and GB. Keep following. Next video is about Vandevta crossing Jimbi village.